Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do another video on variables, and we are going to look at built-in. So we did global and local. Now I'm going to show you there's a couple more things, and we're going to address one of them right here, right now. So alright. We've been doing a lot with the math module. Let's do one more thing. From math, import pi. So, alright, let's run this. And so we call pi. So lo and behold, pi in Python, in the math module, there is the value of pi. So alright. So okay, let's jump into this. So what we learned about global and local is it'll look local first and then go global. Well, then it can also go back to built-in. So I'll show you the order of events, and then I'm going to show you a way to force something to happen. So, alright, let's just do, we all know the handy return pi r squared, not two of those, two of these, pi r squared, print area 3. So, alright, and I don't have enough parentheses. So there we go. Let's run this. And what I see? Oops. Forgot my own variables. Okay, let's run this again. Lo and behold. Look at all this rounding right here. So alright. So now let me show you this. So let's do 3.1451159. Dyslexia getting the best of me. So okay, so let's run this. So lo and behold, we have this right here. So now let's look. So if I call pi right now, I go back to this one. So let me show you this. Let's change this just a little bit. Pi equals 3.14. So I run this, I get now the same thing here. So because it looks local, global, built-in. That's the order. So if I call pi again, I get the global. So now let's block this out. So I should get a different size. Let's comment this out. Comment. So it will not see this pi, it will see this pi. So let's run this. See how my variable's shortened? So now I call pi and it's 3.14. So now if I comment out this pi, so it doesn't see anything local, goes global, then there isn't anything global, it will go to built-in. So let's run this one more time, and boom, I'm back to here. So scope, there's another word for this, scope. So we're getting pretty sophisticated, and you guys are really following along, and you guys are doing a really good job, and y'all are really smart. So local, let's just do this. Local, global, built-in. That's the order. So now let me show you. So if I call pi, it goes back to built-in. So now let's say that there is a case. So let's uncomment, oops, wrong way. Uncomment this, and if I call pi, I get an error. But let's say we want to, something gets activated in here and we want to pull this out. There is a spell it right. There we go. There's a way to force a variable inside a local event to become global. And there we go, pretty self-explanatory. Orange, we know it's a keyword. So let's run this. And now let's call, so I've forced pi to go global, to come outside of local, and become global. So maybe we want to activate something and we want to go from there. So now if I call pi, I see that it is this pi and not this one, and so forth. So there we go. Thought we'd add that. So local, global, built in. And this is just variable scope. Sorry. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we have these videos coming out every day, and I want this to be your one-stop shop for everything Python and everything explained in pretty good detail. And if I didn't go into good enough detail, please let me know, call me out on it, and I'll go over it again, do a different video, explain it a different way, because I completely get that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.